my name is Mike and I would like to talk about sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are a fascinating record of Earth's history. This presentation will explore how they form and how they can be used to understand the past. We also look at some of the most common type of sedimentary rocks and what they can tell us. Thank you.
Now I will be presenting the identification process of the sedimentary rock. So as you see, the first step is visual examination. So basically, we try to visualize the rocks, especially their color, their texture, their grain size, and any other distinctive features. Throughout visual examination, we can determine the dominant grain size of the rock. And the next step will be the composition identification. So throughout this step, we can examine the types of the mineral presence. For example, the quartz, the feldspar, the calcite, and the clay minerals, we can determine the presence of the silicon dioxide. And for the third steps, we can identify the sorting. So we try to assess the degree of the grain sorting within the rock. For instance, the well-sorted rocks, they have the grains that are similar in size and they are uniformly distributed. And for the next step, the cementation identification, we try to examine the rock for the signs of cementation. And we also try to check for the sedimentary structure such as the bedding plants, the cross bedding, the ripple marks, and also the mark cracks. And for the next step, consider the presence of the fossils. So basically, the presence of the fossils will provide us the clues about the environment in which the rocks are from. And for the last step, we will try to classify the rock based on their specific characteristics. To conclude, sedimentary rocks plays an important role in our Earth histories and also provide valuable insights into the past. So by understanding how the sedimentary rocks are formed and also the different types that exist, we can learn more about this world and also how it has changed over the time. Thank you.
This is our first mineral. It has a brownish grey color with very fine grain size, which is less than 1/256 mm. The mineral is well-rounded with angular. It is also a clastic rock, so we found that this one is shell. This is the second mineral. It has a light brown color with fine grain size, which is in between 1/16 mm to 1/256 mm. It is well-rounded and it also is a plastic rock, so we found that this one is siltstone.
Hello guys, this is our third rock. The color of the rock is the grey. The grain size is very fine grain, and the roundness of the rock is well rounded. And the rock is also non-plastic. So based on all the characteristics given, the name of the rock sample is limestone. Then this is our fourth rock. The color of the rock is yellowish brown, and the grain size is coarse grain size over 2 mm, and the roundness of the rock is well roundness. This is plastic rock, and based on all the characteristics given, the name of the rock is conglomerate.
Hi guys, my name is Tiroshan. This is my fifth rock. I'm gonna explain about this in more detail. So as we can see here, this rock is reddish brown in color, and the grain size of this rock is coarse grain size. Meanwhile, the roundness of this rock is angular, and also this is a clastic rock. From all the specifications given, we can know that this rock's name is Gracia. Hi guys, this is our sixth rock. I'm going to be explaining about this more in detail. So first of all, as from the color here, we can see this color of this rock is black, and also the grain size of this rock is fine grained organic matter, and also the roundness of this rock is angular, and also this is a non-plastic rock. From all these specs given, we can know that the name of this rock is bituminous coal.